Um, in this video, and I'll actually put this link in the description box. But I'm on a website on Amazon. It's called sellercentral.amazon.com. I'll put this in the description box. But in the previous video, I did a video on the Google Trends. Ideas you can type in, and depending on how well it's doing, how popular it is, give you some good ideas to put on your website. This website, sellercentral.amazon.com, will also give you some, good ideas of what to sell and put it in your online store. Um, what this site is, it just have all the a list of restricted products that's forbidden that people cannot sell on Amazon. Um, Animals and animal products, art, home decor, automobile and power sports, lightning, gambling and lottery, food and beverage. Um, it has a ton of things on here. Um, Surveillance equipment. Some of these things you may have not even noticed that you couldn't sell on Amazon, but these are some of the restricted products. Why did I bring this to your attention? What is the purpose? Well, if these categories and these products you can't sell on Amazon, it's a good idea to put it on your site, because if people can't get off Amazon, if they're searching for one of these products, they can search and come across your site and buy from your site. Um, Amazon is, I believe, the number one um, online shopping source as far as various products and services. So if you can't find something on Amazon, people are going to search, you know, and they'll come across your site and get it there. If they can't get it on Amazon, they have to find somewhere else to get it. So, they can potentially buy from your website. Um, so this is another, good source that you can look through. Um, if you want to sell, say, I don't know, um, medical devices and accessories. I'm just going to click here. Eyeglass frames, tanning devices. Just to give you some good ideas. Chin up strap. Um, some good stuff that you can look through. Laser, just seeing it. Laser combs, insulin pumps. All this is forbidden on Amazon. Not sure why, but you just can't sell it. Um, Amazon would not allow you to. HIV kits. Some good ideas that you can drop ship and sell on your website. So again, I'll leave this link in the description box so you could just look through this. um, excuse me. This website will also give you some pretty decent ideas of what you can sell on your website when they search for it. So when you get a chance, go on this website, take your time, browse through it. Um, when it comes to selling in your online store, guys, you want to create as much traffic as possible. And as I mentioned in the previous video, um, keep in mind one-dimensional products like hair weave, you can really only market that to women. So you're leaving 50% out male. So you're only targeting one specific group. That's leaving out a lot of traffic. Whereas though like iPhones and Game Boys, it can be for male or women. So you have like 100% of the market. um, Also keep in mind hair weave. A lot of women in other countries don't wear it. It's not as common as it is in the United States. So keep that in mind. Not only do you eliminate the whole males, but you eliminate a lot of other countries because um, they don't wear it, or for whatever reason, they ban it. So keep that in mind as well when you're selling a one-dimensional product. Um, and again, try to sell something that not everyone is selling. Jewelry is something that's very popular. So unless you have unique jewelry, you know, um, I would stay away from jewelry. Also, stay away from name brand products, Gucci, Nike, Polo, Fendi, um, Prada, because your website isn't known yet. People may assume it's fake if it's not from the actual store or from a credible website that people are familiar with. Even if you say it's real, they may still be skeptical. So, just keep in mind, if you're selling a name brand, I would stay away from it. But if you are, just trying to just, price it right and try to decrease, the skeptics. Um, as I mentioned in the previous video, something like paints, wall paint is a great product. The trends is high. Um, a lot of people use paint on a regular basis. A lot of homes are getting built on a daily basis. Home repairs are being made on a daily basis. Perfect, perfect product to sell. Something that kind of always in the market because, like I said, real estate is always in demand. People are always going to need to fix up houses. People are always going to need paint. So perfect product to sell. It's a perfect example. Um, if you want to sell a service, say you have like a streaming service or is a digital product or ebook or something like that. Drop shipping works the exact same way. Doesn't matter if you're selling a service. Um, and a lot of times services are a lot easier because you don't even have to ship it to the person. You could just email them the service. Whether it's an ebook, I don't know, a digital movie that you're selling on your site, and just price your items right, guys. Don't underprice your items because you'll cheat yourself. If something is worth $100, you selling it for 50. Just make sure you profit a pretty decent amount you're comfortable with. When it comes to drop shipping, there's no right or wrong as far as what to price your item. There's no right or wrong. Just make sure it's reasonable. Um, Make sure you're profiting whatever how much you want to profit. Don't get too greedy though, because you may overprice your item and people won't buy from you. Um, it's always better to underprice than overprice because if you underprice, you can always bump it up and see what limit or what price people are willing to pay. If you overprice it, customers will just turn right away, and they'll go to another source that's a lot cheaper. Um, So, I'm telling you guys this from experience. Your store has to be, cheaper than what a lot of people can get for in other stores, or it has to be something very unique that you can't find in other stores. Um, Smart TVs, for example, it's pretty hard to drop ship that because, I haven't come across too many wholesale drop shipping smart TV vendors. So, not saying that they aren't out there. I just, haven't came across any yet. Um, and, make notes of all this, guys, because things has helped me grow my store, my main store, which is, doing very, very well. Um, and don't, you know, put a whole bunch of different products in your store. um, don't sell sneakers and TVs and hair weave, alarm clocks, and don't be all over the place with your products. If you're selling electronics, say it's iPhone cases, iPhone cases, iPhone chargers, iPhones, keep it within that, you know, topic, that product. Until your store gets really big, then you can diversify. When people get familiar with your store, Walmart does it. Walmart sells a lot of different things. It's just not strictly electronics or strictly clothing. So until your store gets some recognition, um, it gets big, don't put a whole bunch of different products in your store. So those are some tips again, guys. This sellercentral.amazon.com is a great website as far as seeing what Amazon don't sell and put it on your site because people have to get it from somewhere. And if Amazon isn't selling it, it makes it unique. So that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.